this is what we're working on today. My hydraulic pump went out on the International tractor. I sent off the old one to get rebuilt, and they ended up sending me a brand new one because the housing apparently was too wore out to rebuild as well. So I had to paint it. The original was a steel housing. This one was an aluminum. So I painted it. Now I'm getting ready to put it all back together and get it ready to put on the tractor. So the weather's finally good enough that we can go out. It's been raining for 2 weeks. We got a nice sunny day today, so anyway, that's what we're doing. All right, so right here we're getting ready to mount it. So I got to take off the air cleaner housing so that we can have access to everything behind it. And so we're going to take that off and set it aside. Now we're going to put the bracket on with the housing, or the hydraulic pump. And my son Trevor's giving me a hand there for a second. My dog Roscoe running around wanting to be played with. Alright, so we got that mounted, and now we're putting on the tubing that goes to it, the intake, and then the high pressure line. That red one is the intake, the low pressure. And now we're getting ready to put on the high pressure one. Got that put on. Now we're going to screw it on there to the valves. Get it tightened up. Do some final adjusting. Right here, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the rubber hose to slide back over and connect. Maybe not right there, but in a minute. Just doing some final tightening. Now right here what we're doing is we're getting the little connector hose where the two pipes connect, buttoning those back up. A little snug getting them to fit over the end of the tubing, but we got it. Now we can put the air cleaner back on, get things buttoned up. Need the air wrench to get into the hard to reach place to ratchet it tight. Well, we've got the hydraulic pump on, and now I think everything's good. I got to fill up the reservoir now with more hydraulic fluid, crank up the tractor, and cross our fingers and hope that took care of the problem. So we'll see. All right, so what we're doing here now is we're getting ready. We're putting in the old hydraulic fluid and filtering it, of course. It's running really slow, so decided to just pour the upper part in, and then when we got low enough, we filtered the bottom so no contaminants would get in. And whoop, hey, there's that screwdriver I lost. Fell in the bucket, forgot about it. And all right, we got it topped off here in just a second, and now we can put the cap back on the tractor, close it up, and get ready to start. Okay, we're going to give it a try. Fingers crossed. right, well, that was an expensive fix, but I'm glad it's done, and it should work great now. For years it's been going out. Time to play with the dog, play a little catch with Roscoe. Thanks for watching.